To start Windows services, you need to use a shortcut Window plus R, and you may type services.msc and click on OK or enter. System will give you this screen, and you can also reach here using the option services. You can use the search box and type services, and you will get this screen. Now click on any installed program, and if you want some specific services, you need to search via first letter of the services name. Like I'm searching for Microsoft Dynamics ERP. See, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Server PC 180 on premises is also running, but I need Microsoft Dynamics Nav server, and this is not in a running mode. It means the system has stopped the services. So either you click on start, or you can check all tasks, or you can check the properties. See, this is the properties, and setup type is automatic, delayed start, manual, disable. You need to select here automatic, and you can check all the tabs, but in the general tab you may find startup type. You need to set it here as automatic, then click on start. It means all services are now going to start. Click on OK, and see this is running. And you can increase the description length and read the complete name. Service handling request to Microsoft Dynamics Nav application. This service is now running in a running mode. And we can also minimize it. You need to just hold the column length. See, now status is running, startup type automatic, and log on as network service. And you may use kind of thing like clicking on one by one any services name, or you can directly search by the initial first letter of the service name. Like I'm clicking on M, and after selection of the service, this blue line means the services has been selected now, and you need to just click on start the service.